Hello everyone. Welcome to the mini lecture on electromechanical control technology. This is not only a technical course but also a journey of learning about responsibility, safety, and innovation. Today, we will explore the diagnostic methods for AC motors through the following three main topics. By the end of this session, I hope you will be able to accurately identify 5 common types of AC motor faults and understand the potential causes of each. Learn at least 3 practical methods for troubleshooting and be able to apply them in real-world scenarios to resolve AC motor issues. Imagine, if an AC motor in a factory suddenly fails, it can halt the production line and even lead to safety incidents. Inspecting an AC motor for faults is done to promptly detect and resolve potential issues, and prevent damage to the equipment and avoid potential hazards. Regular inspections for AC motor faults ensure smooth operation, extend the lifespan of the equipment, and improve both productivity and safety. This is not just about maintaining the machinery, but also about ensuring a safe production environment. Therefore, mastering the diagnostic methods for AC motors is essential for maintaining both production efficiency and safety. Next, let's take a look at the common faults of AC motors. AC motors are widely used in industrial production, and the common faults include the following. 1. Difficult starting or unstable speed after starting. This fault may be caused by unstable power supply voltage, incorrect connection of the 3-phase motor lines, poor contact in the stator winding, rotor wear, or damaged bearings. 2. Abnormal noises from the motor. Abnormal sounds can result from bearing failures, rotor wear, loose stators, worn gear transmissions, or misaligned output shafts. 3. Motor overheating issues. This may be due to fan failure, overly tight or loose bearings, or high temperatures in the stator or rotor windings. 4. Line breaks or short circuits. Aging, broken, or poorly connected lines, as well as ground short circuits, can easily lead to motor burnout. 5. Bearing failures. Aging bearings, poor lubrication, or incorrect bearing tension can lead to bearing failures, resulting in increased noise, higher rotational resistance, and in severe cases, motor shutdown. These are some common faults of AC motors that require regular maintenance and inspection to promptly eliminate issues and ensure normal operation, thereby extending the motor's lifespan. Behind these faults often lie issues such as poor equipment maintenance and a lack of safety awareness. Therefore, we must prioritize fault troubleshooting in our daily work to ensure that equipment is always in good condition. Let's continue with the second part, which focuses on troubleshooting methods for AC motors. 1. Check the power supply. If you find that the motor is not running, the first step is to check the power supply. Ensure that the power required for the motor is turned on. If the power is not on, the motor will not operate properly. 2. Check the motor wiring. Inspect the motor wiring. Make sure that the wires and sockets are not damaged or loose, and verify that the power switch is on. 3. Check the motor capacitor. The motor capacitor can easily fail after prolonged use. Check whether the capacitor is functioning correctly. 4. Check the motor bearings. Insufficient lubrication or worn bearings can also affect the motor's operation. Lubricate or replace the bearings. 5. Check the motor fan. If the motor cooling fan is damaged or clogged, it can affect the motor's operation. It is necessary to clean the motor fan to ensure its normal operation. 6. Check the motor rotor. Inspect the motor rotor for any damage or deformation. If there is any, the motor rotor needs to be replaced. 7. check the motor stator windings. The motor stator windings may be damaged due to short circuits or poor contact. Professional maintenance personnel are required for inspection and repair. If no issues are found in the above steps, it may indicate a comprehensive motor fault. The entire system needs to be inspected and maintained. This requires us to have solid professional knowledge and a rigorous work attitude. At the same time, we should learn to apply innovative thinking, continually exploring new fault diagnosis and solution methods to improve maintenance efficiency and quality. Finally, let's look at the maintenance methods for AC motors. 1. Regularly inspect and clean the external parts of the motor. This includes the motor casing, in covers, and ventilation covers. Dust and dirt should be removed regularly. 2. Periodically check the insulation performance of the motor. By measuring parameters such as resistance and insulation resistance, you can assess whether the insulation condition is good. 3. Regularly check the motor bearings. This includes checking the lubrication, sealing performance, and temperature of the bearings to ensure smooth operation of the motor without abnormal noise. 4. Pay attention to the correctness of motor wiring. Frequently check the motor connections to avoid poor contact or disconnections. 5. Regularly replace the motor's lubricant. During operation, the motor generates heat, causing the oil to gradually oxidize and degrade. Regularly changing the lubricant can effectively extend the motor's lifespan. 6. Ensure proper motor protection. By installing appropriate protective devices and control equipment, the motor's lifespan and reliability can be enhanced. 7. Check the motor's ventilation system. Ensuring good ventilation can effectively lower the motor temperature and prevent overheating damage. Due to friction, vibration, and insulation aging during operation, AC motors are prone to failures. If we can promptly check, identify, and eliminate these faults, we can effectively prevent accidents. This requires us to not only master professional skills, but also to possess a strong sense of responsibility and mission. Every fault diagnosis and repair is a safeguard for production safety. I hope you all keep this in mind in your future studies and work, continuously improving your professional skills and overall qualities to contribute to the development of enterprises and the progress of society. Lastly, please think about this lesson and complete the following exercises to consolidate today's knowledge points and deepen your understanding. That concludes our lesson for today. See you in the next lesson.